Today we're going to cover how to connect up a Ranger power quality recorder to Pronto for Windows running on a PC compatible computer via Bluetooth. The first thing I need to do is to set up the Bluetooth communications on the computer and pair it to the Ranger. So in my taskbar, I'm going to click on this icon called Show Hidden Icons and find my Bluetooth devices icon. If I select that, I will now add a Bluetooth device. Up will bring the settings. Click on Add Bluetooth or Other Devices. Select Bluetooth. And it goes out and searches for Bluetooth compatible devices within range. I'm going to select the PM7000 serial number 236. The pairing code for all Rangers is 1234. I'll click on Connect. And it says it's connected. I'll click on Done. It's setting up devices. I'll minimize this Settings tab. Pronto for Windows. I'm going to close the tutorial window here. And I'm going to close the Startup Assistant. You can see I have a notification the device is ready. So at this point, I'm going to click on Logger, Address Book. I'm going to select Add a Logger. And I'm going to give it a name, PM7000. Bluetooth SN236. And now I'm going to have to find my Bluetooth communications port. So I'll click on that search button. And it looks like it's located on COM3 this time. All Bluetooth communications to Ranger products are 115, 200 baud. That's for the Ranger PM1000, 2000, 3000, or 7000. And if I click on OK here, it shows it to you in the Logger address groups. I'll close this. And under the function panel, Logger Control, it now shows that unit that I've just added. And if I click on Connect with PM Screens, it'll attempt to communicate with that unit. And we're communicating with it via Bluetooth. So you can drive through menus or what have you, but this concludes the tutorial on how to connect a Ranger power quality recorder to Pronto for Windows running on a IBM compatible PC via Bluetooth. Thank you.